Hi guys, welcome. Hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful negative space floral nail art with a glitter top coat. It's very easy to create, so let's get started. I wanted to use something bright, so I went for blue and pink, and all the products that I've used will be mentioned in the description box below as always. You can check that out and you can use any colors of your choice. So I have already coated my nails with a base coat here, and now with the help of a dotting tool I'm going to create a flower by using dots. So I'm creating 5 dots, and with the help of the other side of the dotting tool, that's the thinner dotting tool, I'm going to just pull it into the center like so, because I want it to form a nice flower. So I'm just pulling the entire thing to the center to form a flower. Okay, now I'm going again with the pink color. I'm doing the same, so I don't want like 2 flowers. I want one full flower and one half flower. You can place them on any side of your nail. Because I have very short nails, I'm doing this, and I'm going to apply white in the center of this flower like so. So now I'm going to create the same on all the other nails, but I'm just going to change the sides. So on one nail it will be on one side, on the other it will be on the other side. So if you want to create flowers on the same side, you can do so. It's just as per your preference. I'm just showing you some easy nail art, guys. By the way, are you checking my videos? No, you're not checking my videos neither. Y'all are subscribing. Come on guys, show some love. I don't like fancy nails, but I'm creating some beginner friendly nail art for you guys. So please guys, check that out and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow on YouTube. Okay, so basically I'm doing the same thing.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
Once you're done, allow your nail art to dry and apply a good glitter top coat. If you don't like glitter top coats, go for a basic top coat, transparent top coat, and seal in that nail art. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakil Me. And this is the outcome. Easy floral nails, negative space nail art for you guys. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.